There's something about being outside in nature that just gives you that sense of peace and relaxation that no cell phone or social media can give you. Whether you're cooking on an open fire, enjoying a sunset, or simply spending time with your family and friends, take some time to enjoy the small things, because I think when you look back, you will realize those were the moments that made life special.